Welcome everyone. In this session, we will discuss about a simple program feet into inch. Okay, just come everyone. Okay, like आते हैं. So everyone in this video, we will discuss about the how to convert feet into inch. Okay, or inch into feet. Okay, everyone. So we knows that what 1 feet is equals to 12 inch. Okay, 1 feet is equals to 12 inch. Okay, and 12 inch is equals to 1 feet. Okay, so let's see how to create make this program. So I am writing my code to Python. We will discuss on interactive mode and command mode also. Both mode we will discuss. So I am going to create, okay, like I am creating a variable feet. Okay, feet is equals to, I am thinking that I have 5 feet. Okay, I have 5 feet, and then I want to convert feet into inch. Then inch is equals to feet into 12. That's it. Okay, and then print feet, sorry, inch. Okay, we are getting 60. Okay, and also you can convert each into feet. Okay, inch into feet. So for inch into feet, we what we need to have to do, like suppose कीजिए हमारे पास इंच कितना है, लाइक हमारे पास 36 इंच है. ठीक है, तो इसको फीट में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे. फीट इज इक्वल्स टू, फीट इज अ वेरिएबल हेयर, फीट इज इक्वल्स टू इंच डिवाइडेड बाय 12. Okay, and then print inch, sorry, not inch, feet, because of we are converting in converting the each into feet now, so that's why we will print feet. Okay, so we are getting 3.0. Okay, so now listen, if we are getting 3.0, if you want to your value in integer format, then what we need have to do, feet is equals to inch double divide by 12. Okay, and then print feet. That's it, we are getting 3. So as same we are going to do on Python, mm, script mode. Okay, so open Python IDLE. Okay, I have opened the Python IDLE, and then create a new file. Okay, in this file I am writing feet is a variable, feet is equals to 12. Okay, and inch is equals to 12 into feet. Okay, and then I am displaying print feet is equals to feet, and then print uh, total inch is equals to inch. That's it. Okay, that's it, and then save this file. Save as, I am saving this file on desktop. File name I am giving feet. That's it, and then click on run and choose run module. So we are getting feet is equals to 12, total inch is equals to 144. Okay, again, once again, if you don't want to write this statement inch is equals to 12 into feet, then you will have to write directly at the place of, देखिए सिंपली कह सकते हैं इंच का वैल्यू क्या है 12 इंटू फीट। समझिए एक तरह से यहाँ पे इंच का वैल्यू क्या है 12 इंटू फीट है। तो इंच का एक वैल्यू है 12 इंटू फीट। ठीक है, वो कैलकुलेट होकर के क्या आएगा वो कंप्यूटर का काम है, हम लोग का काम नहीं है। कैलकुलेट होने के बाद क्या आएगा सो इतना जानना है कि इंच का एक एक्सप्रेशन है 12 इंटू फीट। तो देखिए समझिएगा, इंच का ही वैल्यू हम 12 इंटू फीट स्टोर कर रहे हैं इंच में, तो क्या हम इंच का एक्सप्रेशन मान सकते हैं इंच इज इक्वल टू 12 इंटू फीट होता है। तो उसी सेम एक्सप्रेशन को हम क्या कर रहे हैं इंच के प्लेस पे डाल देते हैं और इस एक्सप्रेशन को हम रिमूव कर देते हैं। दैट्स इट। Okay, that's it. So we will get our answer. Click on file, save it and execute it. Again, we are getting same output. Okay, everyone. We will follow the board mass rule also. Okay, that's it. Run module. We are getting same output. Okay, चलिए। Just a second, everyone. Open with Python, where Python ideally, and then open where is it Python fit, ये रहा, then run. Okay, we are getting our output. Now I am going to display. Now I am going, you can copy this code. Okay, now I am going to display inch into feet. So I am giving inch, that is 24 inch. So how much feet? Okay, so इंच हमारा जो भी है इंच हमारा डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा। एंड देन वी नो दैट फीट इंच इज इक्वल्स टू इंच, फीट से इंच में कन्वर्ट करना है या फिर इंच से, सॉरी, इंच से फीट में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो क्या करना होगा इंच डिवाइडेड बाय, नॉट इंच, यस इंच डिवाइडेड बाय 12 बिकॉज ऑफ 12 इंच इज इक्वल्स टू 1 फीट। Okay, 12 inch is equals to 1 feet. So that's why I am dividing by 12. Okay, now execute. We have got 2.0. If you want to integer format, then you will have to add one more divide symbol. Okay, that is floor division, you can say. Okay, so thank you everyone. Like this, you can make program also. And in the next video, we will discuss about the how to take input from the user in Python. Okay, in the next video, we will discuss about the how to take input from the user in Python. Okay, thank you everyone.